This is the triple hoop loop-de-loop. Coming at you, Codes.
Ready?
It looks good. It feels good.
I'm in a sweet spot. I'm feeling good. The sun is shining.
Plane to the chest.
Dude Perfect.
What's up, guys? We're Dude Perfect. Welcome to Airplane Trick Shots. Here we go.
What it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up.
This is the Limbo Lander.
Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about.
On a landing. Loop and land. That is awesome.
I'm on the big stage. I got my crew.
Pilot Ty coming at you from the top level of DPHQ2. As you can see, I have fastened an extra sharp pointy device to the nose of my plane because I've got a blind balloon downstairs in the kitchen, and this is the blind balloon buster.
Let me show you
Here we
what
go,
it's
boys.
all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up.
Yeah.
Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up.
This shot right here is about to be so lit, fam. I'm just kidding. Supposedly that's what the kids say these days. Anyways, this is just pure savage.
Check it out.
I feel like Cody and Ty get a lot of credit for doing the trust shots. I have done some trust shots. I'm a little nervous about it. I have a plane with a death device on the front of it to pop this balloon. I hope there are no bloopers on this.
If you get this one, people are gonna like. They'll like the video if you get this shot.
I appreciate that, guys.
Okay.
We all do. This is the no-looking looper.
Show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up.
I survived. I mean, come on,
No
huh?
doubt.
I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you.
This is your captain speaking. We no longer have any wings.
Got our modified plane, a couple wingtip adjustments, and we're gonna go for a barrel roll. This is the barrel roll bomber.
It's all about. Check it out. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up.
That was amazing!
Bad Cat, this is Speedbird. I've been hit. Need immediate evac. Going into enemy territory. My hook's deployed. Pull your chute and I'll save you.
Truth is, that went a lot differently in our minds. He was so much safer floating down in his parachute. This is the airplane boomerang. Yikes.
Just check me out.
Let's go! Boom!
I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about.
Ladies and gentlemen, here at DP, you might just want to start referring to us as rocket scientists because we have had another breakthrough in technology. Number 2 pencils on the wings, ready to bust bottles. Here we go!
Let me show you what it's all about.
This is the double bottle busting laser shot. We are bringing you innovations that have never been seen before.
I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just
This is the banking gonger.
light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.
This is the twin spin. Here we go, Core. Let's go! Woo!
Check me out.
Headed to the top. And when you need something delivered to you quick and fast, you call the Dude Perfect Express International Swisher. It's go time.
Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.
Get in! The International Swisher! What's up, guys? Hope you enjoyed the video. Before we go to our normal outro, as many of you know, Hurricane Harvey has hit our home state of Texas, and while being in Dallas, we're not directly affected. We've got plenty of friends and family that are, so we wanted to encourage you guys to join us in not only praying, but also donating by clicking here to the Red Cross. Be a huge help for the people involved. Thank you guys very much. Appreciate it. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. If you're not already a Dude Perfect subscriber, make sure you click down here so you don't miss out on any awesome new videos. Also, our brand new merch just dropped. Backpacks, shorts, hats, tees, all kinds of new stuff. Make sure you click down here. Go check out the store. Also, if you want to see the last video, click right here. Signing off for now. Pound it. Noggin. See ya!